gotta go to work. I'm excited to get back on the unit, but I'm also a little nervous because, you know, after the tummy tuck, I'm still having, you know, some soreness, but nothing too major. But a lot of the things that I'm dealing with now just comes from, you know, muscle memory and your muscles just remembering that you need to like keep your posture straight. I'm interested to see how that goes tonight. But other than that, I think that's my only kind of thing that makes me nervous, because as you know, as a nurse, you're pretty much on your feet most times, especially on labor and delivery when it's busy. So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how that goes tonight. But I'm not going to continue to blab on. Let me get up, get my shower, and get ready to get out of here. So now that we got that workout out the way, I need to run in the store and get some deli meat for the chef salad that I'm going to be meal prepping for work. So as you know, work starts up again tomorrow. I'm super excited to get back. I miss my work family. It makes all the difference in how much you feel like you like your job when you work with great people. So I'm just ready to kind of get back into the swing of things, get back to seeing my patients. I miss it so much and have missed it. It's about 93 degrees today so far, and it's 10:30, so I can only imagine how much hotter it's gonna get. But we had some rain last night so it's kind of cooled it off. I went out to water the plants and really didn't have to water them that much because it did rain. So let's get in the store, get some deli meat, and then get to our meal prep.
Gucci if I export. DJ Lil Baby. Period. Give up, got a big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. I saw my, so he call his nigga. I'm a scamming rich. Ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch it get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your. If this money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake. Talking all loud in them fake clothes. Fake shoes, but they fake. Oh, I'm the really devil teeth snake. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Yes, baby girl, you get the back. It's your Miami and I can't run my stack up top. To my page trying to track us. Brand new chain city girls going platinum. I keep a baby Glock, I ain't fighting with no random period. We is you serious? I let him take the now he acting all delirious. Did the dash in the rubber like his face the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I export. Yeah. Here, cause rockin' Tom for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna look like me.
Good morning. It is about 5:50. Listening to my Harry Potter Pandora station. Who does that? Me. So it is 5:52 and it's Wednesday morning. It is my first day back to work, and I really wanted to make some breakfast before I hop into editing and then lay down for the rest of the day before it's time for me to go in. Up until this point after my tummy tuck, I've been trying to just eat what I want to eat. Now I'm kind of more focused on shifting kind of in a low carb diet area. And so this morning I want to try these protein pancakes by Birch Benders. So without further ado, let's get into mixing this up. The directions on this package calls for 5 to 6 pancakes, but we don't need that many. How to keep the healing. Coffee's perfect. Now, trying the protein pancake. Not too bad. So you guys know pancakes are like my favorite breakfast go-to. Cracker Barrel is one of my favorites. But they ain't got protein pancakes, I don't think. Do they? I was just there yesterday. I didn't notice that they did, but these are delicious. So for 2 pancakes, because I still have some mix left over, you want 1/4 cup of pancake mix, and then just make sure that they're not too runny. You don't want them runny. You want your mix kind of thick. So add enough water where it's not too runny, but then not too thick. They should be spoonable to the pan. So we're gonna go back upstairs, maybe do a little bit of editing, and then lay back down. I wanted to share with you guys really quickly some things that I purchased to get ready to go back. It came yesterday, so I wanted to share with you. So the first thing I got to go back was this turban headband. So I don't know if you guys know, but I wear braids quite frequently. And because of that, over the years, I have developed traction alopecia. So with that being said, having nice headbands to kind of cover my hair whenever I'm like wearing it up and things like that helps. And I saw this one on Amazon, so we'll try this on tonight to see how it looks and see if it will allow me to wear my hair up in a bun. Okay, so I did get that. Another thing that I got are the 4-color pens. Y'all, when getting reports, these are amazing. I shared in a previous video my report sheet that I use, my handy dandy report sheet for labor and delivery. Another asset to this handy dandy report sheet in my eyes are these 4-way color pens. Oh my goodness, who's calling? Stop it! Because you can make things that are important with your colors and kind of change up the game. And so this has the black, blue, red, and green colors. So I did get some new pens to return to work. So nothing really major, just, you know, some little niceties to get ready to go. Let's get in the shower and get ready to go. It's now 5:30. I have to be on a unit by 6:45. So it's about time to get ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.